Have you ever wondered how birds travel thousands of kilometers without getting lost? This incredible journey is called bird migration, the seasonal movement of birds from one place to another. They migrate for food, breeding, and better climate conditions. For example, the Arctic tern travels from the Arctic to the Antarctic every year.
Every year, these incredible birds embark on one of nature's longest journeys, traveling thousands of miles from the Arctic all.
But how do they find their way? Birds use the sun, stars, and Earth's magnetic field. In India, many migratory birds like flamingos and Siberian cranes arrive during winter. There are different types of migration: long distance, short distance, and altitudinal. However, migratory birds face threats like pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. These birds help maintain ecological balance and act as indicators of environmental health. Protecting them means protecting our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.